This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable clamp nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Before removing the auxiliary drive belt, note how it is routed among the various accessory pulleys. If the decal on the upper fan shroud is damaged or missing, make a sketch of drive belt routing before removing the old belt. This can save time and frustration during belt replacement. To replace the belt, rotate the tensioner with a correctly sized wrench to relieve the tension and allow the belt to be slipped off of an accessible pulley, such as the alternator pulley. Carefully release the tensioner to its stopping point and remove the wrench. Remove the belt from the remaining auxiliary components and out of the engine compartment. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the alternator. The output wire is secured by a nut on the output terminal. Remove the alternator mounting brace bolts, then remove the brace. Unscrew the front and rear alternator mounting bolts. Slide the front mounting bolt out as far as possible. The rear bolt can be removed completely. If the front bolt needs more space to slide further out, remove the front coolant reservoir mounting bolt and push the reservoir slightly downward to make room for the alternator bolt to slide out. Remove the alternator from the engine, gently prying it out of the mounting bracket if necessary. Install the alternator into the mounting bracket, then screw in the mounting bolts. Tighten the front and rear mounting bolts securely. If the coolant reservoir bolt was removed, reinstall it and tighten it securely, but avoid cracking the plastic. Install the alternator mounting braces and bolts. Tighten the bolts securely. Connect the alternator electrical connectors. Tighten the nut securely for the output wire, then push the protective cover onto the terminal. Route the drive belt loosely over the various pulleys. Rotate the tensioner again to allow the belt to be installed, then release the belt tensioner, applying tension to the belt. Make sure the belt fits properly into all the pulley grooves. It must be completely engaged. Connect the negative battery cable to the terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely.